EES, which is pronounced ease, is an acronym for Engineering Equation Solver. So once you have completed your ease solution, you're going to need to document the results in some way. In the last video we talked about simply printing from ease. This video is going to discuss how you can use ease to create a high quality report that includes the diagram, equations, and solution windows, as well as any tables and plots. This report is created in the form of a TeX document, so a .tex file, that can be automatically processed by a LaTeX compiler to produce a device-independent file, a DVI file, that can then be printed by various utilities. The PDF LaTeX accessory available with the TeX compiler also produces a portable device interface, or a PDF file, that is compatible with Adobe Reader. The entire process can be made transparent to the user so that the LaTeX report feature effectively becomes a printer that produces very high quality PDF files. The output quality of the LaTeX report feature is much higher than what can be obtained using just the print command in ease. Both the LaTeX software and the Adobe Acrobat Reader must be installed on your computer in order to use this feature. These programs are available at no cost. Choose the basic MikTeX installer option for your operating system, either 32 or 64-bit. Note that ease eventually is going to have to know what the directory path is for the MikTeX software, so you should make a note of it. In order to configure ease to work with the MikTeX package, start ease and select Create LaTeX Report from the File menu. And then you can access this dialog here. You click the Setup button and navigate to that PDF LaTeX executable file, which is typically found in the MikTeX/bin subdirectory. If you installed MikTeX in its default directory, it's likely that ease will locate this file without your intervention. If you want to generate a report, then what you do is select Create LaTeX PDF Report from the File menu. You enter the desired file name in the edit field at the top of the window here. By default, the file name will be the same as the name of the ease file, but with a .tex extension. The text entered here in the title field will be displayed at the top of your report. You can see the controls over here at the left side of the dialog that allow you to select what items you want to include in the report from among the various items that you have in your ease file. If multiple items of the same type exist, so for example in this particular ease file there's two plots, then you can click on this value in the square brackets and bring up this dialog that's going to allow you to select a subset of the items. The equations window selection provides some additional controls here, such as line numbering and placing each equation and comment on separate lines. If you have some very long equations that might run off the line, so go to two lines, you're probably going to want to use the ampersand character to break that long equation into multiple lines in the equations window. The solutions and table group boxes also provide a control that allow you to specify the number of columns per page, and again that's to ensure that text does not run off the page of the report. The diagrams and plots that are to be included with the LaTeX document are going to be stored in separate JPEG files, and the resolution of these files can be controlled here using the JPEG quality control. Towards the bottom right of the dialog there are three checkboxes. If the Create PDF Document checkbox is selected, then ease will attempt to start PDF LaTeX and compile the TeX file in order to create a PDF file. If the Display PDF Document is also selected, then ease is going to attempt to start Adobe Acrobat and just show you the PDF file that it created. Finally, if you select the Delete TeX and JPEG file box here, then the .tex file and whatever JPEG files that are created will be deleted, so that you'll be left only with the PDF report file. So let's select Create here in order to start the process of generating and compiling the report. And then once that's done, we can actually look at this high quality report that has been generated for us. And again, this is a much higher quality product than what you could get just by printing the document from the print option. So this is one of a series of tutorials meant to describe the operation of the ease software. If you'd like to get more information about ease, obtain the software, or access more of these tutorials, please go to the F-Chart website. These tutorials are excerpted from the book Mastering Ease, and that book can also be obtained from the F-Chart website.